On Monday when it rained. On Monday when it rained, my mother said I couldn't play outside. I wanted to ride my new red bike with the blue horn to my friend Maggie's house. I was disappointed. On Tuesday, when my grandma came to dinner, we had macaroni and cheese and chocolate milk. I drank my chocolate milk real fast, and right before we had the cookies for dessert, I burped out loud. I was embarrassed. On Wednesday, when I went to preschool, we drew pictures of big animals in a zoo. My teacher Laura said my elephant looked just like one she saw at the zoo last summer. I was proud. On Thursday, when I watched a movie, there was this one part where a big monster ate a whole building. My sister said that monsters aren't real, but this one was green and had a long tail and scales, and it looked real to me. I was scared. On Friday, when I went to my cousin Jamie's, she wouldn't let me play with her new dump truck in the sandbox. I always share my toys with her when she comes to my house, and I have something new to play with. I was angry. On Saturday, when I got up, my mother said it was a sunny day so we could go to the playground by the pond that has the ducks. I went there once before and played on this rope climbing thing that looked like a pirate ship. I was excited. On Sunday, when I called my friend Peter to see if he could come over to my house to play, his mother said he was sick. My friend Kate couldn't play either because she had to do errands with her big brother. I was lonely. That night, when my dad put me to bed, we started talking like we usually do. I told my dad I thought it had been quite a week, but my dad said he thought most weeks are like that. I wonder. The end.